Hello, hello! It's me, your friend Social. Today I'm going to show you how to use this wonderful website, which is called unscreen.com. You can use it to remove the video background. It's super friendly and easy to use, and you can have a freebie or you can pay for the pro, however you want to use it. So, what is the first thing you're going to do? You're going to click Upload Clip, and you're going to select your video. I want to make a gift with no background. I have a lot of funny videos here, so I'm going to hit open. And I'm going to get ready. Get ready, get ready. Cross your fingers if you want to see the results. Chan, chan, chan. And that's my video. It's a gift that I'm going to use for my Google Classroom. And then I'm just hitting download, and that's it. It's super easy to use. If you have any other questions, you can leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you!